Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in Baltic Gray with Altitude Appearance Package, Adaptive Cruise Control, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 42,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, remote start system, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10670A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.